You're bringing back life to your spine.
You're able to recognize who you truly are.
The benefits of nasal breathing are vast. So definitely try and stick with it. Hold that for as long as you can.
You can do this multiple times. Like, you can do it monthly, you can do it, every 3 months, however you want to do it, and you just reassess what's going on in your life, because it will be different every time you do it.
So as the diaphragm moves down, that enables your lungs to expand. So, and what that does, what Taylor was saying, pushing on your guts, it'll move your soft little insides out of the way to give your lungs room to expand.
That can be really powerful, and depending on your circumstances and who you're around, it could be eye-opening,
Turn your toes under, lift your hips up into downward facing dog.
When your space is peaceful, you can sleep better. And when you sleep better, you tend to think better and you think more clearly.
This is where the magic happens.